Hi you guys, Jeannie here and welcome back to my channel. So today I have another Dollar Tree haul for you guys. I'm so excited for today's Dollar Tree haul because the bulk of the items I got are all for DIY projects. So if you guys are enjoying my Dollar Tree DIYs, please let me know in the comment section below so I know to continue making them. So I've already started a playlist of some of my Dollar Tree DIYs that I've done in the past and some of my current. So I've also done a DIY pantry storage video as well, giving you guys some tips and tricks on how you can organize your pantry. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that red subscribe button if you want to follow along my YouTube journey. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hop into it. So the first thing I got are some florals. So the Dollar Tree has some beautiful fall florals, you guys, and for $1, you just can't beat it. So the first thing I got were, let's see, I got 3 bunches of the grape leaf stems. So I got 3 of them right here. And then I also wanted to get some like greenery, which is green leaves, and the item number on here is greenery bouquet. So I got 2 of these right here. And then I also picked up some of these like pale beigey orange florals. So the first one I got is the mums, and the second one I got are the marigold. So I picked 2 of these up. And then the next thing I got are the dahlias. So I love this like orange color for the fall time. So I think orange is definitely going to be my fall color this year. I always kind of go with like a theme. I think last year I went crazy on like the burnt red orange. So I think now that like true orange is probably going to be my fall color. So then the next thing I got is a willow wreath. So these are a great value. Alternatively, you can get some of the wire wreaths as well. And some of them are 2-packs. So check out for these smaller wreaths. You can get 2 for $1. So I thought that this was no-brainer to get a willow wreath. So the next thing I got are bandanas. So the pack of 2 bandanas, you get a red one and a blue one. These are priced for $1 or 50 cents each. So I got 2 packs total. Charlie is actually wearing one of them. Porter dismissed the bandana, but I got another one because I'm thinking of doing like a Rosie the Riveter costume for Halloween. So I'm thinking that's what I'll do, and all you really need is the red bandana and a red lip and you are good to go. So if you are looking for a budget-friendly Halloween costume, there you go. So the next thing I picked up are these tea lights. So they're LED tea lights, and it says it's a total of 240 total hours. So let's see. Is the battery included? Let's see. Let's open it up and see if the battery is included. Will there be light? Let's see.
There's always light when you're around, babe.
Okay, you pull it. Oh, look! Batteries included. Okay, so for $1, you get 2 of them. Let's turn it off so I don't waste it. So yeah, cool. I'm excited for those, so stay tuned. That's for another DIY. And then I got some Mod Podge. So this is the 2-ounce Mod Podge. So I got that from the craft section. Okay, so the next thing I picked up is a brownie pan, but I'm not gonna be using this as a brownie pan. So definitely stay subscribed if you wanna see what I am using this brownie pan for. I am so excited for my Dollar Tree DIYs. So excited. And then the last thing I picked up are these, I guess you would call them like candle holders, I guess, but they're glass candle holders is what I'm saying they are. So I picked 3 of these guys up, but be careful because I'm already seeing that the glass is like already cracked right here. So be very careful with your Dollar Tree glassware because I have already kind of cracked it. So this is my Dollar Tree haul. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel and comment below if you're excited to see how I'm going to be using all of these items for my DIYs. So I will talk to you all later. Bye.